In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add moving text in Clipchamp, a straightforward process that gives your videos that extra flair. Now let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open your internet browser and go to clipchamp.com. It's a user-friendly platform that offers ample features for video creation and editing right from your browser, no downloads required. If you already have an account, simply click on Sign in the top right corner to enter your details. Once you click on Sign in, an option will appear to continue with various accounts. For this tutorial, let's select Continue with Microsoft. You'll be prompted to select your Microsoft account from a list, or enter your login credentials. Make sure you have your credentials ready to smoothly proceed through this step. After signing in, you'll land on the Clipchamp homepage, a hub that will soon be bustling with your creative projects. Navigate to the option that says Create a New Video. This will open the editor, which is where all the magic happens. It's perfectly normal if a new tab opens. Each project deserves its own space, right? In the editor, your next task is to bring in the media you want to enhance with moving text. Click on Import Media, a handy button that allows you to upload your video files from your computer. Once your video is uploaded, simply drag and drop it onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. This timeline functions like a storyboard, displaying your content in a linear fashion, making it easier to know where you'll insert that moving text. Next, head over to the text option, which is readily accessible in the editor's side panel. Clicking there will unveil an array of text styles and presets. Choose one that resonates with your project's theme. Don't rush, explore your options. Once you've selected a text style, drag it down onto the timeline over the section where you want the text to appear. To make that text pop with motion, it's time to add some effects. Navigate to Effects, a feature that really differentiates static text from animated text. Click on it, and again you'll need to select an effect that suits your style. From simple fades to dynamic zooms, there's plenty to choose from. Apply your selected effect and watch as your text effortlessly gains life and movement. That's essentially it. With these steps, you've successfully added moving text to your video using Clipchamp. It might take a few tries to perfect the movement and timing, so feel free to adjust until it aligns perfectly with your vision. Enjoy the creative process and let your creativity run wild. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope these instructions help you elevate your video projects with engaging movement.